October 27th, undoing an equation. So here on the left we have an expression, 4 times the quantity 2x minus 6, and this is all set equal to 8 as it turns out. I get that from over here, the number of the operations that are done to. And we track the x and see what happens to it. We multiply it by 2, then we subtract 6, and then outside of the parentheses we multiply by 4. So to cancel each of these out, we look at the third step first. What's the opposite of multiplication? It's division. What's the opposite of subtraction? It's addition. And what's the opposite of multiplication? It's division. So we do all of these things to our initial number 8, and we end up with a final answer of 1. Let's go through a few. So here, the first thing we do is we multiply by a negative 2, then we add 10, and then we multiply by 6. So to cancel these out, we divide by 6, subtract 10, and divide by a negative 2. So if we start with a number like 48 and divide this by 6, we get 8. 8 minus 10 is a negative 2. Negative 2 divided by a negative 2 is a positive 1. And that's how we would actually solve an equation. So what happens to x? We multiply by a negative 4, then we subtract 8, then we multiply by a negative 3. So to cancel these out, we divide by a negative 3, we add 8, and we divide by a negative 4. So starting with negative 15 divided by a negative 3, we get 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 divided by a negative 4 just gives us this fraction, negative 13 fourths, as the negative floats to the top. Here we multiply by 9, we subtract 9, and then we multiply by 9 again. So undoing those, division, addition, division. So 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. Next row. What do we do to x? We multiply it by 3, we add 15, we multiply by a negative 4. So we divide by a negative 4, we subtract 15, and we divide by 3. Starting with 16 divided by a negative 4, we get negative 4. Negative 4 minus 15 is equal to negative 19. Negative 19 divided by 3 is negative 19 thirds. Last one. X is multiplied by negative 4, then we add 2, and then we multiply by 6. So to cancel this out, we divide by 6, subtract 2, and divide by a negative 4. If we do all of these things to negative 36, we get negative 6. Negative 6 minus 2 is equal to negative 8. Negative 8 divided by a negative 4 is equal to 2.